Eya. Eya. Ghana entertainment industry, me therefore. Eya. King Paluta are dropping new song, Sugar. Me therefore, and you know de. I know me. Hey, King Paluta pen game on. King Paluta blessing on. Ehu. Once King Paluta type na kwa say or dropping you for one she abeka say be a grobi no di one ya. Once King Paluta to be dropping him no be e kasa nyum ne de na ye say ntise ba ko no. But when him round no, na part of the song no, baby a pick it. Ama nyum na fe do ye no. Wotia na bibi ya yo. Sana King Paluta pen game na ye. King Paluta songs now yes say no. A pick it gradually. And you drop here after like a month, 2. Wotia bibi be ye. Sana King Paluta pen game no akoye. Na King Paluta sa drop a official music video for that song, Sugar. Therefore, because of that music video, no, anunti animatenase. Because of that music video, no, anunti animatenase. King Paluta last video, yeah, before Sugar way, may observe the same issue. Video nimba me imagine say me na slide it. Na ma share the next video ebeba. E bia wa hu de me kire no because say adwuma no ye bia onim nyoma e betimasi. Enu nti to da bia bibi wo a eba uhu no abu ani aguso na slide it. But o hwe na say e repeat ne ho a na wa smart no atie omu na so. Because empany force the o twasa na to da bia onim se na chia. Empempi no on say ye artist be blow aya na ye taka say enkrofo e won ho no obro ye no mu nya adwuma biem. Mo se Ghana for some boys ni ungrateful okobo ma de be wahu ungratefulness and sa. But to the bin so ye share the other side of the story. More times no ye space no on say so asem nko ne gina oni mia nko akun. Eto da bia ye share the other side and dey inti na bia musician no use different person dey na adwuma. Any diem video directors na King Paluta anymore ye adwuma no nyame nhira mo support ye nua no ade ba kwa mahuni. I think say King Paluta use one director more because I said that King Paluta YouTuber checking videos e ho nyina e come here say we use one director more than omu nyina. I think so we 2 but we use back more than the other. Me de me hu ne say King Paluta any these directors no omu or bond be. And I think say bi o ma show King Paluta love some years back. And until now nyankopon to so good King Paluta so no opeso no omu nyina na ekọ. Which nyame enhira King Paluta for that kind of love. Any diem the me sreni King Paluta ni enim 15 years ago, 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 2 years ago, 1 year ago, 6 months ago no. Onye the same King Paluta biem. Art eyadea enyini. Now no King Paluta onyini. King Paluta competition enyini. Bibia about King Paluta no eye kakraka. Eni a ehwe King Paluta no. Senior now no edoso. Aso a etie King Paluta edoso. Enuti se wo ye music engineer na King Paluta ene wo ye adwuma. Eni diem hu se enioma bia wo ye ma King Paluta no now no obe upgrade kakra. Se be ye betime suiti the current King Paluta. Eni diem video directors na mo ye King Paluta adwuma no. I'm not here to ebia downplay with your works and I say bibisa debi. But eni diem mama inkin komu kakra. Kuma would know eya doso. King Paluta nyankopon adom opagya no. Mun change mo star ne kakra. Mun change mo storyline ne kakra. Mun change mo angles, mo lighting, mo color grading. Just say no. Mun King Paluta wa elevate any diem. Mun so no mun ye bibi kakra because eya ha adwene. As eya fa honom. That is why I'm doing this video. Eya fa ho. Once more times, I'm not gonna for complain. It's a camera in your money. I thought be a camera and crown and a magic. No, you need a creative director or tie nyumna and nyumna nkasa be the right images for the song. Senior, nyame nhyira mo mabɔ adwuma ma Paluta, but Paluta video no mo nsesa mo nsa kakra ani diem mo nsesa mo nsa kakra mo bibi like mo nane mo kakra mo push mo kakra mo challenge mo kakra. Paluta papa na bɔkɔ deɛ ana Eja me video production no minim kakra enu nti no mintimi blame video directors ni bebree, but they make any the same resources, the same props, the same cameras, the same lighting omudi ye adwuma na the same enyoma na omo betim dia produce bibi fofra one who dey make sure no, because mama mo remfi say ebi anye enipa omo Ghana nkwa na ehwe Paluta videos there be ye Ghana for bebree so omo ti akonto ma they have been exposed to a different one visuals. Omo so benya sabi omo artist visuals ba bontinga ebetimi a stand the test of time. I know say empanifo say kwanchan de efe ni nyina eyiska metiase Paluta se budget no forma fa inki kakra so na omo pushi o visuals no they make him akana me pese me kasa kese about this, but I think say there is something wrong somewhere you have to fix with your video production. Na se wo akwantuom na opese wo send sika eba Ghana na ope money transfer company papa sabi omo exchange rate e wo soro kese a e lemfi se de nyina nim no na dollar ne pound ne sika no asay ba na eba form, but lemfi money transfer de de omo exchange rate no e number 1 na ni gisem ewom kra ne say o download gu o phone so na o register we o your first transaction na o use the promo code and say referral code Bonah BONAH. O send your first $100 and I say first $100 Canadian dollars or more $20 and I say $20 Canadian dollars back. O send it €50 or more 15 euros cash back. O send it £50 or more £10 cash back. Therefore, what you are doing? Download the lemfi. Never a good phone so next start enjoy. Biemu so se wo America na opese wo ship America kura free America eba Ghana. Bibia opese wo di free America eba Ghana. Therefore, edin no eba kope Box Oak Logistics. Ofre Box Oak akacho say enam the Bonah show so na oti omonka omonso omecho 10% discount. Ana u free abrochire akọ Ghana na odru Ghana be Kumasi udru Kumasi obepe be bia da ama asoma dwoa Mr. Frey Pcash Properties ni fie ne ho CCTV cameras medofo ura fie ni interior ana se wo Ghana so na udi animu Mr. Frey Pcash Properties o Frey Pcash so aka chen say enam the Bonah show so na wote omonka omonso no impre no macho 10% discount. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. I'm out.